Hello and welcome. My name is Amul and you are watching Ease Coding. In this video, I'm going to show you how to increase and decrease the font size in Windows 10 overall across the interface. So let's have a look. Okay, so I assume that this is Microsoft Windows 10 and you want to increase or decrease the font size, basically the size of everything on your display. So let's go ahead and have a look. Simply go ahead and click on this start menu and then go to settings. And this is going to be your settings window here. Look for ease of access. Ease of access here. On my screen, it is on the right. So go ahead and click on it. And you will see you have two options. So this is going to be make text bigger, only the text thing. Okay, so you can make all the text bigger and apply. Ooh, that's bigger, right? But if you do not want to just make the text bigger, but you also want everything else to become bigger, like these icons here, the shortcuts and the icons, then you'll go with make everything bigger. So change the size of apps text on the main display. And okay, so this is main display. If you have any other display, you can use this link. Change the size and color of cursor and mouse pointer. So that's the other option I have. Here you can see you can go with the 100%, and this is what it becomes. Now if I just go ahead and increase the font size, apply it, this is how it looks. Slight different, but if I want to make everything bigger, I think this is fine. Everything bigger including the text, I'll go with this one. The only problem is you do not have this range to drag, otherwise you have just go from 100 to 150, 100 to 125, 125 to 150, and then 75. See, that's the only problem I see here. Otherwise this one is just fine. So this is how you make everything bigger and also make just the text bigger on your main screen. Alright, so that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.